Hi fellas, Nigel back here again. This is just a quick video to talk about some bits and pieces that went on this weekend. So, I don't know whether it's something you know, but myself and my wife, well, it's my wife, we have a business selling scale models and mass sets called the Crafting Well. And this weekend, we travelled up to Edinburgh for the Murrayfield show to take our mass sets, test model shelves, and we had a fantastic day. We really enjoyed it, and then we left about 5:15. We travelled down to where we were going to have another show. So this other show was at Brampton St Ives, where again we stood there last year, and we did okay last year. So we thought, yeah, we're really looking forward to it this year. We booked a hotel about 30 miles away from said venue, and we got there, I'd say, about 11:15 in the evening. So fellow trek, so you can imagine I was quite tired. We went to book in and all that sort of stuff. Feeling happy, fantastic. We'll get to bed, set the alarm for 6 o'clock to look at going out to the hotel at 7 o'clock. The morning comes round, and about 10 to 7, the receptionist comes to knock on the door, finding boxes strewn all over the driveway to the hotel and stuff like that. Go downstairs, and our van has been broken into. Now you can imagine the hurt and the gut-wrenching feeling when you see that your van has been rifled through, and then when you look again inside and you figure out that there are 2 boxes of very expensive kits have gone missing. Stuff like Kōtare Spitfires that retail for about 90 to £100. Then you've got Meng Phantoms have gone missing. These retail for about £75. So added everything up, it looks like retail we have lost about £1,500 worth of stock that we didn't have to sell on the Sunday. And believe you me when I say myself and my wife were at absolute rock bottom because some thieving tow rag has driven past and seen our van and thought, I know, I'll break into that because there'll be tools and crap and that stuff in there. Now, if that had been a work van, somebody would probably been insured through their work or whatever for that, so they personally would not have taken the hit. Now, we personally have taken that hit from a weekend where we should have made quite a big profit. We actually broke even just about. Okay, just about. I can't describe how angry and upset and hurt we both are. We were so close that Sunday morning to just putting our bag with our clothes and in the van and coming home. We were so close. Fortunately, we went to the show. We'd already been in touch with the show manager to let him know what was happened and everything like that. And when we got there, Brampton IPMS, who actually run the model show, went above and beyond to not only make sure we were okay, but to make sure to help us get our stock that we had left inside, to make sure we were settled in and everything was okay. They found us chairs and stuff like that. They went above and beyond to make sure we, as a company, was okay. So as the day goes by, people heard that what had happened to us. People came and saw us, make sure we were okay, saying they would keep a lookout for certain things and what have you. Remember, they're going to have business cards in that look like that and little packets of samples. So rolls round to the end of the show, and all I can say is thank you to everybody that came to see us. Thank you to everybody that bought kits that we did have. Thank you to Brampton IPMS for just being there in our hour of need. You know, we've had some bad things happen to us as a family in the past, which I'm not going to go over at the moment. But when we're at rock bottom and you just want to curl up and just, you know, forget about everything and just give in. That's what we felt like yesterday morning. At 7:30, I have to get in a crime number and the police have not even come out. It must be just because it happens so regular. Now, we've lost the stock. I might lose the deposit for my hire van. That could be anywhere from £250 to £500. We've got no end of heartache and chasing around trying to get, yes, we are insured, but we've not insured for the full amount because our insurance, we totally forgot to upgrade it when we started taking more kits about with us. So we're going to lose time. We're probably going to lose sleep. We've got the stress, so much stress of trying to figure out what we're going to do. We've got to play our supplier. Hopefully they will understand and they will help. This weekend has probably been Sunday morning has probably been one of the toughest days of our lives as a married couple, or being together. And we've been together over 20 years. So all I want to say is thank you to Brampton IPMS. And if you watch this, you know, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Okay, from the bottom of Lisa's heart, thank you. I know she's absolutely devastated with what's gone on, and without your support, we probably would have caved and left. Probably about 10 o'clock. You know, that's how we were feeling. We were feeling, you know, so dejected. To thieving scumbags, I hope you get your comeuppance. I hope you realise what heartache you have actually put us through. You know, I'm not even going to waste any more breath on you. I just hope we can find you when we can report you and something happens. Anyway, sorry for a bit of a bad news sort of thing video, but I just wanted to say thank you. Okay, and thank you to the whole hobby, the people that came and seen us, other traders as well that are trying to help out as well by looking out for our kits and what have you and stuff like that, and if they get, you know, offered anything cheap or all like that. Anyway, I'm going to sign off there. We've got another show coming up in Lincoln in a couple of weeks' time, so hopefully I might see some of you there. Anyway, bye for now, and see you in the next one. Ta-ra.